Good morning and welcome back to Ginger's Place. Today I'm going to use Weiman Polish and Restore on my hardwood floor. The first thing I have to say about this product is it did not smell bad. It smelled like cherry. I did open the windows, however. Always be sure to read your instructions so you know how to use the product. I have to say the camera makes the hardwood floor look a little bit worse than it actually is. Maybe the lighting, it's a dark, dreary day, very rainy. So here we go. Now I'm starting at the far end, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's wet. So I started at the end of the hallway, and this is how it looks when it's wet. And as you can see from a distance, there's a huge difference. Here's a tip. If I could start over, I would only do half of the hallway so that I could walk down the hallway and get to the other rooms in the house. So now, as you can see, there's some damage, as I said. And there's some really bad damage towards the end of the hallway. So to finish up, I don't expect it to be this shiny when it's dry, and I am going to do a second coat, as you'll see later in the video, so stay with me. Here's an up close of where I started at the end of the hall, and now you'll see the difference, see the shine, and I'm going to continue down the hallway. Now I've done a second coat on the right side. You can't see a huge difference because it's 3 in the morning and it's pretty dark. But I'm going to show you some close-ups. This product, I think, did an amazing job on this floor. So here's the close-up. You saw the damage before. Now I'm not sure why in this photo it's picking up discoloration now that the floor is dry. When I'm standing looking at the floor, it isn't that visible. I'll show you the close-ups so you know what I mean. Here's what I'm seeing when I look at the floor, and you saw the damage. Look at the difference in this floor. This product did an amazing job. I'm very pleased, considering the condition it was in. I'm going to finish my second coat. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. And until next time.